What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, comments up, you know, all of that stuff. Sky high, subscribers sky high. Everyone join the Discord. It's active. There's 3 of us in there having good discussions. I hope to see way more people. So let's just get into the video. A little backstory on this jacket. That has been the most difficult thing in the world for me to find. I was looking for a varsity type jacket. I really like the Saint Laurent one, but the price tag on that is about 2.5-3 grand. I'm not in the position to spend 2.5-3 grand on a jacket. You can't tell with Saint Laurent. If you buy a plain one from anywhere, you know, it's the same thing. So I definitely was not going to spend 2.5-3 grand on a jacket, even if I liked it. No, that's just not an option at all. That's like impossible. So I was looking for a varsity jacket at a lot of places. As always, Google is your best friend. I couldn't find one that I really liked. And then I finally found one. I didn't want to pay the price, so I waited for it to go on sale. When it went on sale, all the sizes went. There was only 2XL, which is too big for me. And there was extra small, which is way too small for me. So I ordered 2XL, praying and hoping that it will fit me. And let's just get into it. It is from, as you can tell by the title, Ted Baker. I've messed that up completely. I've messed it up completely. I'm having a stinker here. Wait, I've got it. Rubbish. Please be no invoice, because I actually ordered it twice to get it cheaper. I did a little trick. Yeah. So what I did was, I've already tried one on, so I kept one for the unboxing review. Ted Baker London, massive box. What they did was they sent me 2. And they sent them, so I bought 2XLs because I had to spend a certain amount of money to get them cheaper. So they were like £147 each, but if I bought 2 and put a voucher code on, it was £200. So then if I keep one and send one back, I get refunded £100. So I get one for 100 instead of 147, which I'd rather pay 100 than 147 and just follow a bit of a lengthier process. But what they did was they sent them in 2 separate boxes, so I received 2 parcels like this. Don't know why they did that. Probably didn't have a box big enough. But yeah, so I have tried it on. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit, so the search does continue for my size. I need like a large or an extra large. Not sure. This is massive. If I can't find it within like 2 weeks, what I'm gonna do is get this one tailored. It is gonna cost me about 20-30 quid, so I'm gonna end up spending around, I'm still gonna save about £17 if I spend 130, but you know, I wanted the jacket really bad. I'm really waffling a lot. So yeah, it's 100% recyclable, whatever you want to call it. I do like that they've sent a hanger and it's covered, because that's what I like and that's how I store them. We'll just have a quick look at the label here. So the name, the government name of this is the Dacre, so I don't know if that's Dacre or Dacre. Varsity bomber, color is black, size is 6 is 2XL, and the retail price is $2.95. I did not want to pay that price, not gonna lie, so I waited for the sale. Let's just undo the bottom, and I want to do it all nice and neat so it doesn't like mess it up. Gentle does it. So we've got, I don't know what the actual materials are, but it does feel like a wool blend, and then we've got leather on it. I don't know if it's raw leather again. So it is a varsity jacket, just to kind of show what it looks like, a bit clearer with a lovely collar. So it's got the Ted Baker and then the size. So for some reason, I don't know if Ted Baker do this on all their clothing, but they have sizing in numbers. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, instead of like large, extra large, small, whatever. So this is 2XL, which is a 6, and which is also too big. So let's find out more. Got the government name and stuff on there, tedbaker.com, Ted Baker. I never buy anything from Ted Baker ever, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, I just haven't really. This is a very nice color, very nice design. Exactly what I was looking for, to be honest. It's got that same cuff that matches the collar, and it does feel quite premium, like it's not cheap. You can tell it's quite good material, you know, leather on the pockets, like little designs. And then obviously the new varsity style with this leather is on the back and the front, so it goes around like a circle. I don't know why I like that design so much, but I do, so I got it, and here it is. Still on the hunt for my size. Let's hope I get lucky. Let's just open it up, because I did see like a floral inside, so floral kind of lining on the inside. It's not warm, or I think it's not warm like mad warm. It's just like a light jacket to wear on top. I'll probably wear it on top of a hoodie, on some jeans or whatever. There is a label saying always looking for the extra in the ordinary. All right, it's got a pocket for your valuables, and then we've got another pocket. What I'm actually looking for is the information label. Yep, it's there. So we've got it. It says Ted Baker London. So the main fabric is 63% wool, 31% polymade, and 6% acrylic. So which is what I said, so a wool blend. Yeah, so it's definitely the wool blend. That's what they do. It's not really always 100% wool or whatever, or it's very rare to find 100% wool, like jackets. Do I have 100% wool? I think I might. No, I think it's a wool blend as well. Like, I've got quite a few wool blend type jackets and coats. Scarves you can get 100%, but yeah. The body lining, so that's viscose and acetate. Don't know what that means, not gonna lie. I'm not good at these materials. Talk to me about suede and nubuck for Nikes. Sleeve lining, again viscose. The rib is 45% wool, 45% acrylic, and the 10% elastin. Rib meaning this, so that's the material on that. And the main thing I wanted to find out is actually the trim. So the trim is 100% leather. Contains non-textile parts of animal origin leather trim, and then it's got all the information about it. So yes, it is leather, which I'm happy about, because, you know, leather. We like a bit of leather, especially for the price. You know, leather trims. I'm not really a fan of non-genuine leather, if I'm honest, if I'm buying a jacket and stuff. So yeah, I am pleased that is real leather. Some people may not agree or whatever. I won't discuss that, if you know you should wear leather or not. Each to their own, and that's my stance on that. But I'm happy. I definitely do wish that they do this jacket. First of all, if I can get in my size, but I want them to do different colorways. So all black with like the white bits on it, because I really like that one. Also, if they did like a navy blue one with the white bits on it, or a full navy blue one, that would look quite nice. Any other colorways, not really, but they really could. So you know, this is why I should be a fashion designer or something along them lines. I should work for Nike, I should work for CP Company, I should work for Stone Island, I should work in many different designer and high-end boutiques as well. I should work in Louis Vuitton, I should work in Gucci. I should be designing a lot of pieces for a lot of these places, man. But yeah, that's it from me for today. Let me know if you like it. I definitely love it, especially in hand. The quality is good. You know, that wool blend, not 100%, but it's still good material. You can tell it's quite premium, good material. You know, 100% leather. And that's it for me. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, my people. Let me know, you know, what you think of it. Let me know if you want to see any other videos. Join the Discord community. Let's get a lot more people in there and a lot more active people. And yeah, most importantly, take care, my people.